Good day, happy travelers. Seven Continents Travel Agency here today, talking about a cruise that we just booked. We're going to preview the 7-day cruise on Norwegian Getaway for the week of Thanksgiving. Now, originally, and if you've seen my other videos, I was pretty excited about going on a return trip on the Carnival Horizon down to Aruba, but then I saw a price that I just couldn't turn down on this ship, which leaves from New Orleans and Western Caribbean. So Aruba was nice. The Horizon was a nice ship, but it's always nice to explore. And the Getaway, well, as my kid says, has many more water slides, and the entertainment seemed to be something that we just needed. Eat the deposit, make the switch. So we are previewing this. This has stops in. So we got a fun day at sea. We got Cozumel. We're going to Belize, going to Roatan and Mexico. And actually, in September, 2 months before this, we'll be on Harmony of the Seas, going to Cozumel, Roatan, and Costa Maya. So Belize. And so anyway, long story short, we're really excited about the options here. But we're going to preview some of the stops here and see what we are going shopping for excursions. And there is no shortage of excursions to be had. And the cool thing about Norwegian is you get $50 off per port of call. And if you spend $130 in tips, you can get the package and 300 minutes of Wi-Fi. So, although I think the Wi-Fi is going to, 300 minutes is not super long. I think that's 5 hours. And I'm going to go out on a limb and say we are on it more than 5 hours, but don't quote me. All right, so you want to look at some ruins. That's $139, but we're going to just review. So what we do here is we got multiple people in our family. We have 3, so we each pick our top 3 at each stop, and then if the same one is on each of our list, that is kind of the rule of thumb that we go by. And if the other 2 put it and it's not on mine, well, as a good dad, I just say, that was number 4. So here we got some ruins. I went to Pyramid of the Sun and Pyramid of the Moon in Mexico City, so I am probably going to put ruins on my list just because I'm a ruins kind of a guy. Dolphin swim. If you are ever going to swim with dolphins, I would recommend Ocean World in the Dominican Republic. I had a much better experience with the animals, but to be fair, when I did the dolphin swim here, it was pre-COVID, and that is a lifetime ago in the cruise world. So it may be different. It might be better. Right. You want to do a spiritual cleanse? Well, you could. It's 8 hours. That's a lot of cleansing. $150 for an adult. A sea lion, manatee adventure, more dolphins, different prices. The more intimate you get, the higher the price. National Park Day Pass, taco tasting and tequila. You know what? Actually, I think that is more expensive than the one that is in the Royal Caribbean. Oh, do I want to pull it? I don't know. I won't pull it up. But I just made the other video, so I think this might be a little bit more expensive, but ever just. Hop on, hop off, beach break, pretty reasonably priced. How about, you know what? I just made the Royal Caribbean video, and what I noticed is that Norwegian has helicopter experiences. Now, they're not cheap, but if you want to see a different experience, that I think that's pretty, I think that's noteworthy. So then there's a Passion Beach Day, tacos. How about a show and tacos? You're speaking to me, and I'm listening. How about a bus to downtown, 5 hours, yacht for $349. You can jump off the boat, which is always fun to do. Then there's the Amazing Race, kind of mixing up your experiences. Beach, cooking, a Tabasco chef maestro. Man, a chef, Tabasco, and maestro. Now that's a title I would long to have. A Mayan Views helicopter experience. Man. And it takes it, look at this right here. It takes you to a restaurant. So you get in a helicopter, you go to the Mayan ruins. Like most people spend hours in transit. Exclusive beach day, $200. A beach break, $100. Day pass. Everything you need. Carefree day at a beach park. All right. Chocolate experience. All right. I do like chocolate. Not as much as I like tacos. Don't make me choose, but I would choose tacos. Mexican cuisine workshop. Off-road buggy. $109. Actually, that's pretty reasonably priced. Snorkeling, $99. 3-reef snorkel. And the cool thing about, actually, what I'm discovering right now is the cool thing about booking 2 different cruise lines that are going to most of the same places is I have the prices fresh in mind. So I'm kind of getting an idea of what is a good deal, good value, and what isn't. And the cool thing is, it's not like Royal Caribbean or Norwegian employees are leading these excursions. They're just setting the price based on the vendors that they work with. And oftentimes, the vendors actually are the same vendors. They're just different contracts. So, interesting. Beach and snorkel, $69. Captain your own mini boat, $149. You know what? Let's say I wanted to captain my own mini boat. What's the weight limitation to captain a mini? It looks like a lot of fun. They're like, hey, look at all this fun. All right, so weight. So there's some details here. What is the weight? Note. Control F. All right. Maximum combined weight cannot exceed 550. Well, I'm gonna have to do some math. All right, let's back up one. All right, stingray encounter. Always enjoy a good stingray. They're very slippery if you never touch one. Dune buggy and snorkel. Dune buggy and snorkel. ATVs, 5 hours, 240. ATV minimum age 5 hours. ATV to J car and playa. Single, double. So it's cheaper for 2 people than 1. That's good to know. Intimate taste of Mexican tacos. I don't know, for $180, it'd have to be pretty intimate. I mean, I would be in it. I mean, that's a lot of tacos. Park and river tubing. All right, $229. Atlanta submarine and $165. More caverns. Here's a ruin. Look at that ruin right there, $159. This is what I want to do in Royal Caribbean, but they had a bunch of virtual reality and augmented reality. I just want to see the ruins. I don't want to be the reality. The ruins is the reality. It's the same picture. 9 hours long, $200, but you get to go to a pyramid. And it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so yeah, I think I'm going to pitch it. It's not cheap, but it's, it'd be, what is it, for 600, it'd be $50 off, because you get $50 off per port. So that's almost free. Almost. Have an eco park, take a selfie, explore, save a turtle. All right, so that's gives me a pretty good idea there. Pretty good idea of some of the options. Let's swap out ports, go to Costa Maya. Scroll down. Gotta scroll down a little bit more. Costa, there you are, Costa Maya. Update filter. And some stuff to do. More beaches, $79. Different ruins, $200. More ruins, $112. These ruins are only 50 minutes away. Then we got is this the adventure park? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's take a look at this one. I saw this one on the, this is, it's actually the same price, 5 hours, and it's a water park. So there you go. There's height, weight, and age limitations to do it, but it's based on the activity. Cannot exceed, the zip lines have a maximum weight of 260. So this is definitely something that is on the list. A little bit of a cultural experience there for $100. Different ruins, $120. Then there's the reality tour. Then there's a wellness retreat, some more dolphins, and an ATV. All right. And then the last, oh no, we got Belize here. All right. Control F, Belize. Harvest K, there it is. And we will hit update filter. All right, here we go. More snorkeling, barrier reef snorkeling there. 120 flat house zip line package. Let's see what the weight, oh, it's 1 hour. Well, let's see the weight limitation there. I gotta do control F, weight, 250, okay. Always good to know, don't buy an excursion if you don't meet the limits. Wave Runner 129, single driver, 1 hour. I did a Wave Runner in Barbados on Christmas. It was a lot of fun. A lagoon zip line, 30 minutes, more zip lining, Spice Farm, another Wave Runner. What is that? Wave Runner tour. So if you want to go on a tour there. All right. We'll scroll down here. We got Village Life and Fishes. So if you want to see fishes, we'll scroll on down some more here. Black Swan, Parasail Adventure. Then there's a Monkey River tour. We do a kayak rental, 35 bucks for a kayak rental. That's now we're talking. If you want to go in a rainforest in a tube, I bet you there's a weight limit here. Let's take a look. Those tubes look pretty sturdy. There is a weight, and it's in words, not a number. 300 pounds. So there you go. All right. So that is a good start. And then we have one more stop here, Honduras. Roatan. QR, there it is. Go back up and select this. Update the filter. And we got a monkey excursion. All-inclusive water and bungalow, $549. There's the monkey reserve, $129. All-inclusive beach, Fantasy Island all-inclusive, jungle ATV, and beach escape. How about a horse, $139. More animal preserves, Zippin' Beach. You know what? Let's take a look. Zip and Beach. Control F. No noted weight restrictions. But it's a zip line. Interesting. Well, noted. You know, that is that. We'll just take that there. Want to mix chocolate and rum? Hopefully not at the same time. Chocolate flavored rum is never tasty. I've never tried it. Some beach. More beach. Brews and sightseeing. I saw that. More beach. Birds. Take a selfie with some birds. $110. More birds. Private island. $100. Monkeys, sloths, and macaw. $100. 4.5 hours. We might do that. We might very well do that excursion. That is something. We like sloths. We like monkeys. We always go to monkey something. Monkey land here. Been to a couple monkey lands. Monkeys are very, very friendly. More snorkeling with the Jolly Roger there. Kayak and snorkel. South Shore zip line. Let's take a look at this one. Ultimate combo. Extreme. Control F. 250. That's the limit. So if you're going to zip, be mindful of the restrictions. Some places even wave before you get on there. Not all. Some dolphins for $189. Underwater scooters are always fun. Scuba lessons for $150. All right, so we definitely have some stuff here, and the rest of the Norwegian cruise, there's some upgrades. There's some internet and photo packages that you can, you know, get on there, and there's a casino. So 300 minutes if you want to upgrade to unlimited, that's $109. If you want to upgrade to premium, $179. So that's, you know, pretty good, because if you just want unlimited Wi-Fi for one device, it's $209. So that 300 minutes, the value is 100. That's $100. All right. So, you know, I think there's going to be a lot of things to do, and hopefully you got a good beverage package, because the beverage package is $1,000. So that's you know, so, hey, that's something to think about. There's an unlimited Starbucks package for $108 and a soda package for $83. So there you go. Anyway, so we are excited to be on this ship. Obviously, to eat the deposit in one area, make the change to the next. That's you know, so this says a lot about it. And this is the preview, so that means we'll have to post a review and the rooms and you know, the entertainment, everything, the food. So till next time, maybe I'll see you on this ship, and I hope you travel safely.